A bird ladder. I have a cockatiel that will love this. Very easy to put into the cage. It does have the two chains that you can see here, and this one also. And you just hold this. You put this up like this. It has those two, and it hangs just like that. Very nice, made out of wood, colored wood, to attract the bird. They can stand on it and it'll swing. And they will have something to do besides stand on a perch and not do anything. Very nicely made, very beautiful, and very strong, sturdy chains. Thank you for watching my video. I was given this at a reduced price for my honest review, and all opinions are my own.